Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to this Christmas edition of Cooking with Oma. Hello, everyone. My dearest friends and fans, I consider you my friends because of all the beautiful things I hear from you, and I appreciate so very much.
Speaking of which, we had a message the other day, and I just have to read it to you. This comes from Junior K, or JRK, hoping for a Christmas hello from Oma. Can you tell Santa that her fans would like to see her as a Christmas gift? So, Santa obliged. I spoke to Santa, and here is Oma.
I would just like to wish everyone a very merry, happy, and blessed Christmas, and asking you to please continue. It makes me so happy to hear from you, and hopefully, I know there will be another Christmas, but hopefully I will be around to be able to say Merry Christmas to you again. But in the meantime, I'm sure I will hear things from my wonderful son here. And it makes me always, as he knows, sometimes tears, happy tears to my face and smiles. And so thank you again so very much. I love you all. God bless you.
There are so many amazing messages, and just one that came in today actually from Winnipeg, Canada, which there is some significance to Oma in that, Mom, you lived in Winnipeg how many years ago?
65.
65 years ago. That's where my eldest sister was born. I think this one in particular I just wanted to read because it kind of sums up, I think, how a lot of you feel. So it's from Randy and his family in Winnipeg. I came across your mother's recipe on YouTube. Oma touched the hearts of our family, just as I'm sure she has touched the lives of thousands who've watched your videos. So we just wanted to send a big Merry Christmas from Winnipeg, Canada to Oma and all of your family. You created an amazing gift to the world with her cooking videos. Oma's love and compassion shine through in each one. I'm sure also that tens of thousands of people like us have adopted Oma as their grandmother. If you would please pass a hug, a kiss, and a smile for all of us at Christmas. So, and yeah, it's amazing. That's beautiful, by the way. Thank you so much for that. And it is amazing how many of you have asked if Oma could be your grandmother, or they wished that you had a grandmother like Oma, or how many times that you remind them remind her of your mother or your grandmother. So it's really very special. And as I mentioned in the goodbye message, that never thought when we started this that it would turn into what it did, and that me and my family get to leave this legacy of my mother cooking these amazing videos. And it's not just about the cooking, it's about her and her personality, and that's what really comes through, and what a lot of people comment about. So anything you'd like to add to that, Ma?
I just wanted to say, I wish I could still cook, but my well-being is just not, I'm just not strong enough anymore. But I'm still very, very thankful. In my 91 years, I had many, many wonderful things happening to me. And I still have things that are good and happy, especially my wonderful, wonderful family. My children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren.
What do people keep asking for? Other than seeing more of you and more cooking, what's the other thing that a lot of people ask about?
People would like to have a cookbook.
So almost been a bit resistant to it, thinking that it's a lot of work. But
since I'm supposed to be retired.
Right. So we're actually thinking about it, and we may do it in the new year. Oma's going to be in Southern California with me for a couple of weeks in February, And so I think we might sit down and start working on it. All right. I also wanted to talk about some new things that are coming up. There's going to be some more cooking, another cooking show. Unfortunately, Oma won't be cooking, but I'm trying to get her to still be a part of some of those shows. And then there will be some other things that I'm going to be creating. So stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for watching, for continuing to watch and supporting Oma and our channel. Thanks for doing this. Your fans, thank you. I thank you. We all thank you. And I'm sure that everyone is happy to see Oma, even if she's not cooking. But we've got all those videos to watch her cook. So go back and if you want to make some stuff for Christmas, we've done some cookies and nussstrudel.
Today I'm going to make two pastries which are our family's favorites that I bake usually around this time. Doesn't it look delicious? And now it's time to taste. Is it ever yummy? I think it's the best I ever made. Now I hope you will enjoy Oma's nussstrudel and moon cookies.
Thanks again for watching and for continuing to watch. And have an amazing holiday, whatever you celebrate.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for watching Cooking with Oma. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.